In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory set your PS5 Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to do this is actually super simple. All you want to do is just make sure you're logged into whichever user you want to do this with, but preferably your primary one. And let's say you want to factory set it, maybe you're selling it or you want a fresh start, anything like that. Once you're on your PS5, all you want to go ahead and do is go to the top right where it has your settings. And then once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options. Just go over to system, which is this one. It's like the sixth one down. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to see a lot more options here, but thankfully the very first option is going to be system software, which is where you're going to be able to do all of these things. And then right at the bottom, you're going to see reset options. What I'd recommend doing before that is just backing up your PS5 just in case anything goes wrong. It's definitely recommended to do this. After you've backed it up, what you got to do is go to reset options. So just go ahead and click on that. You got three options now. Press reset your console. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to say all users and all data is going to be deleted. Console sharing and offline pay will be disabled for all users on this PS5 as well. So yeah, once you're happy with that, just go ahead and press reset. It might prompt you with like another thing, and then your PS5 is just going to restart a few times. And yeah, once you turn it on again after that, it's going to be like as if you just got your PS5. So you're going to have to log into all users again and make more users or anything like that. But it's as simple as that.